Delete post on Hudl. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete post on Hudl. So let's get started. First, sign in, open your web browser and navigate to the Hudl website hudl.com. Sign into your account using your username and password. Number 2, access your content. Once logged in, navigate to the content section where your game footage or clips are located. This could be your library or any other section where you have uploaded or recorded videos. Number 3, locate the post. Find the specific post you want to delete from your content library or feed. Number 4, edit or manage post. Look for the option to edit or manage the post. This is usually represented by icons or button near the post. Number 5, delete post. Select the option to delete the post. You may be prompted to confirm the deletion. Number 6, confirm deletion. If prompted, confirm that you want to delete the post. Be aware that this action is usually irreversible, so make sure you are certain about deleting the post. Number 7, verify post deletion. Once the post is deleted, verify that it is no longer visible in your content library or feed. That's how you can delete post on Hudl.